Naitwa Justina. Huyu ni mtoto wangu Wilmat. Alikuja kutibiwa nyama za pua na matezi. Nashukuru Mungu anaendelea vizuri, tumeruhusiwa. Maana amepona kabisa. Tunashukuru, mbarikiwe.
My name is Justin. This is my child Hilmat. My child had a problem of adenoids and tonsils, and we asked your kind support. You supported us for surgery, and now my child is doing very well. She's okay now. I would like to say thank you very much for the kind support you have given to us. Now we are going back home. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.